Yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. The Air Fear God 1 sales came out for $250. So all the broke niggas gotta get out of here. There's 6 minutes left in the raffle, and I'm with my boys. Feel me? Me, I tried out for 2 size 7s. Feel me? That's the base sizes. Dylan, what size you went for?
Size 10.
Size 10. And who's that for?
Me. Selfish.
Okay. Yeah. Nate.
Size 10 for my boy Dylan.
Okay. For his birthday and shit.
Yeah, you know, early birthday gift. Got you, boy.
Now, yo, what if y'all both win?
We'll make do.
Who'll make do?
We'll make do, nigga. I'll ask somebody I know for money.
Niggas always eat regardless, bro.
Oh, wow. I like that.
Find a way to eat.
Well, I just know if I win, bro, I don't know y'all niggas no more.
That's how I'm moving out. We get a crib fresh off the moving into another crib.
Heard you. You about to buy our Ernest room and shit?
Nah, I don't know.
Nah.
But I'm about to check with y'all back when this raffle end. In about 7 minutes. I'm exhausted. As you see in my eyes, man, shit look crazy. But yeah, I didn't even brush my teeth yet, because that's how much I'm about this grind. So let's see how this goes. Shit was a dub. Fuck Nike. But my boy Dylan, hold on, let me see the phone. Now close that, baby. Oh, who the fuck was that ugly nigga? Oh, get out the sun, bro. Niggas can't see. Let me take your shit over here. Yeah, my shit lost mad fast. No funny Dundee shit. Alright, matter of fact, hold on. His joint. Let's go, Nathan. Hold on. Like, get it all on camera, bro.
Bro, it's not working, bro.
Close the app, bro. Close the app.
I did it twice already.
I hate trying to put people on, bro. Bro, turn your brightness up. It's going on YouTube.
All right, my nigga. My phone. I wasn't prepared for YouTube, man.
I wasn't selected.
No, Dylan! Why'd you open that shit up again?
Nigga, it just went. It wasn't open. It was just like this.
Oh, God. Oh, God. No. Hold on, bro. Let's see your L too. Alright, yo, Dylan, record me, bro. Cause if we take 4 L's, bro, yeah, it might be fuck Nike forever. Adidas boys type. I'm in the water so deep. Are you with me? I just can't. Yo, fuck Nike.
Oh my God, bro.
Yo, you should pop the passes out.
There you go.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This sunlight is beautiful on my skin. My boy Nate, feel me? Big Eats, my boy Dylan in the background. Dylan,
Good.
yo. Alright, so right here we got the Fear Gods. We just came back from sneakers and stuff. Round 2, and then Empanada Mama. Oh man, it's to die for. But let's open up these kicks. First time seeing them, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
We just took 4 L's on sneakers earlier, but we got the pair right here. Let's open them up for you guys. Little essentials, little Enraised logo on the Fear God box. There's a signature somewhere. Oh, right here. Oh man, hopefully the camera picks that John up. Yeah, Air and the Fear God. Nike Fear God, size 12. Retail $350, but New York State tax be robbing us. Yeah, you have to unbox it, bro. You have to lift it's yeah, you're not gonna break it, bro. Just lift that joint up. Keep doing that, yep. Hey, alright, throw that shit back there. Hold on. Oh yeah, you can keep this. It's a little gym bag.
Oh, yes.
And this is little shoelaces. Throw that shit back there so you can drive. So like I said, this is a little gym bag. I know if you sell on StockX, they do that little thing where it's like, it doesn't come with all the accessories, which is perfect. Because like, if you want to keep $40 of fees, I might as well keep something for myself. So we'll keep that on the side. There's the little lace locks and shoelaces in there. I've never seen anyone slice off the laces. But you're not gonna see the sneakers after I unfold this, because they come in more packaging.
Oh, that shit. Damn.
Yes. So it's a little OD.
That's why they're $350.
That's right. Oh
Open
yeah.
that package?
The sir.
Oh, I just want to like rip it open.
Nah.
Like, you know, I come to seal.
They should, right? That way you know this shit's brand new or not. But thank God they don't. Sorry, you two. I'm gonna edit most of this out though. Alright, y'all ready? Dylan, hold the camera real quick, Dylan. So get a good view of this. Over the shoulder shot. You getting a good view?
Damn.
This shoe big as hell.
Damn, that shit do look good though, bro. Yeah, we should have put Gunna in the back, man.
I mean, I can't record and play music, bro. It's kind of impossible. Hold on, I got this. Oh shit, bro. Shit damn near air me out. Fucking pig. Sorry. It's like a habit at this point.
Oh, get him in the right.
Oh yeah, these really look like basketball sneakers with how big they are. But wow. Beautiful little Nike swoosh with the little grandpa essentials right there. I love the sole. Honestly, I have the black and gray pair for myself. But this sale pair, nah, it's not better than either one of the black or the gray ones. It's not. But it's a good shoe.
Yeah, but I can see why. I personally would prefer the black because I don't like white sneakers.
But if you're only playing basketball in them, you can't get no food stains and stuff. So the white sneakers gonna stay white.
Nah, they gonna turn yellow.
Then I don't think the material on these gonna make them let them turn yellow. Cause look, this is like a little mesh material right here. So it's like only air. And then this, you can't sweat through that. This is just the sole, you know what I'm saying? This whole thing might be 3M. Let's find out. It's not 3M. Only this is 3M. Sorry to lie to you guys, but it looked like it would be. But yeah, like I can't even get the whole sneaker on the camera. That's how big it is. Such little space in the car. But yeah, it is a beautiful sneaker. Extremely comfortable. Oh yeah. Low ankle support. You guys should see enough reviews on this. I'm not gonna go into details, but Nike.
This shit's this hard.
Fear God.
If I was willing to spend $350 on a shoe and wear it,
This would be the sneaker, right?
this would be the sneaker.
That's what I'm saying. It is a beautiful. But yeah, that's quick unboxing for you guys. Hopefully I edit this video. Update it by tomorrow. It's Saturday. What date?
The 8th.
Saturday the 8th. So let's see when this when this goes up. From the projects, you got one of these shits in your steering wheel still. God damn.
In the wheel lock too, my nigga.